Alright gents, here I just kind of want to give you a head-to-head comparison of the Evo 4G and also the Palm Pre. As far as screen real estate goes, you can tell that there's a massive difference if I line them up. You're almost looking at a whole 2 inches on the top, about 1 inch of strip in thickness, but in height you're looking almost at 2 inches. So you're almost at 4 inches, about 3.5 inches of more real estate that you'll get on HTC Evo 4G. I mean, when you compare them like that, this phone is massive. Now, if I were to hold them on their sides like that, you can tell that the Evo 4G is a pretty thin phone. The Palm Pre is a little bit more thicker, but when you open it like that, the Palm Pre is actually a little bit more taller. But then you still have your nice buttons there. They're 2 different worlds of a phone. But what I want to show you is boot up time, the boot up sequence, and you'll see how much faster the HTC Evo 4G is. Here we go. They both have just went. You got the Palm, and then you got the Evo 4G is actually showing off what it does there in a second. And you'll notice I'll hold this one up so you guys can still see the Palm. It's just booted into the Sprint 4G logo, and it's going to start Droid in a few seconds. And you'll notice that the Palm Pre is still thinking. And there it is. We just booted into Android, full blown. And I can literally go ahead and show you something really cool. If you look at the screen here, when I press down, you'll notice, and if you can see, you get the home screen, which is 516 right now. It's sunny out here in Clarksville, gives me 84 degrees. But what's really cool, I want to show you, see if you can see it, is when I click down like that, the sun kind of shines. You notice that? You see it? The sun shines. So every time, I mean, if it were raining, it would actually show drops on the screen. If it were cloudy, it would be cloudy on the screen and things like that, which are real nice. And I'm getting some voicemail. My mom just called me. But the Palm Pre is still trying to go. It's still trying to boot up. I've already probably made some emails and sent them out, checked some voicemails, and the Palm Pre is still trying to chug along. I'll show you something else that's cool with the screen here. There's a bunch of screens. This is and you can customize. This is fully customizable. I can go to the side there, and if you notice, those are that's my Twitter feed, and all the Twitters are there, and I can actually go to the side, left and right, and kind of see. And the Palm Pre decided it wanted to say hello. But you'll notice the screens here, these are widgets. These are some of the icons, and I can move around like that, and these are some other more different widgets that you can put on the phone. But other than that, that's pretty much the HTC Evo 4G and the Palm Pre in comparison. Poor Palm Pre.